Welcome to the part 2 of this video. Here I will be talking about how to use the down panel of Pixellab. So looking at this, we have my project. If you click my project, you'll see the previous projects you have done that you have saved. If you haven't saved anyone, you won't see anything there. Then these these things you're seeing here, they are presets prepared by Pixellab for you, but if you want to use them to write anything quickly, you can use them. So but if you are looking into doing serious design, you have to play or don't use it. Then there is this part of text. This when you click this A and you see edit and you click edit, you'll be able to add new text. So let's say I want to add the text Amaka, so typed Amaka, so I can enlarge it with this button, and drag it anywhere I want. This is the layer panel. The layer panel can be is the organization of everything. So this Amaka, the picture and the text is already there, so we can blindfold it, we can reveal it, there are many things to be done on the layer panel. You can lock a layer, you can delete a layer from the layer panel, so you can do a lot of things with the layer panel. So going back to the text, the A, then you can delete any file from there. You can copy, you can move to the front, you can move to the back. Now the text is behind the picture, so you press move to the front, the text will actually come to the front of the picture. So positioning, you can move your text here with these buttons, and these buttons, if you want a smooth movement. This one is angular movement. It helps you to move your text position. It is called relative positions. It helps you move it in angles, either in the center, at the top, by the right, anywhere. So that is what is used for. So moving on, you have size. Here you can increase the size of the text or reduce it. Then we have padding. You can pad to the left and pad to the right, but I personally don't use this. I can easily use my hand to move it. Coloring, you can choose color, any color of your choice. If it's not here, you can press this plus button to add color from the color wheel. Choose any color of your choice and then press this OK. Then there's texture there. It means you can make your text look like an image. So if I choose this image here now, my text is going to look exactly like this. You can see, you can't even see the Amaka because the image is in PNG. It has transparent background. So now moving on from texture, we are going straight to opacity. Opacity is used to reduce the visibility of the text or increase it, anyone you want. So and then we're going to rotate. Rotate means rotating the text. It's used to rotate the text, turn it around, upside down, downside up, anyone you want to do. Then we're going to max. Max is used to cut out some parts of the text and adjust it to anyhow you want it to be. If you want to cut a little part of it. In style, you can either bold your text, italize it, or make it underlined. Then this T cancel means removing all the styles. This curves makes the text be in a circular form. Yes, you can see, you can either take it to 100% or minus 100%. Then background, this one is giving your text a kind of background, like you understand, shape behind the text. So you can pad the background and anything. So here we're talking about alignment. Is either to the left, to the center, or to the right, just like Microsoft Word and every other Word listing. Then we have spacing. You can increase the space in between the text, you can reduce it. Okay, so that's what spacing for. That's then line spacing is for increasing the space in between the text horizontally, but we don't have any breaking line here. So the stroke is used to add outline to the text, so you can add outline. Like I added a black outline to this one, but I don't need it, so I'll remove it. Now going to shadows, you can add shadow to your text, and if you want it to pop out well, you can add shadow. But here, okay, we'll be using shadow. Then you can use inner shadow. Yes, shadow inside the text. Yeah, inner shadow. You can choose black, you can choose any color you want. If the color you want is not there, you can simply press the plus button to add it up. Then you can do emboss. This is how emboss work. It makes your text look bolder and better, but if you don't know how to use it, I would advise you not to use it. Then we'll go on to perspective. You can change how the direction of your text, yeah, how people see it. Yes, I see now. You understand? So this is how perspective works. You don't just use perspective unless you have something you are really working on and you want to, and you're sure you can do it. Now we're going to 3D rotate. This one rotates in 3D. Yes, like you understand. So looking at this, that's 3D rotate. Then we have 3D text. Oh sorry, we have 3D shadow. 3D shadow is adding shadow to it in a 3D manner too. So after this we have reflection will reflect the text downwardly, or you can also take it up if you wish to any direction you want to. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.